the whole idea behind this project that me and Nate Kivley had was that we were wanting to get an engine started after students are done taking it apart. The big hurdle with modern equipment, anything basically since the 1980s, it has an engine control module. So this doesn't look like much. It's just a metal box right here. But this is the brains. When people talk about there being computers in cars, this is what they're talking about right here. So a lot of times when we would tear down a modern engine, students would take it apart and we talk about all the components and we'd put it back together. But then it didn't start. We didn't know how well the rebuild went and if all of the work went correctly. So Nate and I started thinking, we're like, there's got to be a way to get these engines started. And that's what became this three-sided cage here. So we have just a normal engine on an engine stand. Three-sided cage actually just rolls up to the engine stand like this. We've got all of our electrical connections. We've got our control module. We've got fuel. We've got a battery. And when it rolls up, really cool thing about this that maybe a car nerd side of it, but it actually has a diagnostic port. So if we are having issues with it, we can hook up a scan tool and start pulling faults and things like that. It does have a fuse box and relay box that we had to wire in, but it is everything that we need to get this engine started outside of the car. So as far as we know, there is not another program, at least in Illinois, that's doing this. Every program is going to have some sort of engine tear down and rebuild. As far as I know, we're the only ones that are actively starting the engines when we're done.